This far we have only used two profiles, the boat profile and the triangle one. The other profiles can be problematic. They, for example, might not have sharp tips. On this video, we'll see how we can edit the width profile. You can edit the profile with the width tool. You can find it from the tools. It looks like a seahorse. If I take this tool on top of a path with a profile, it will reveal small circles. These circles are line width points. On this line, there is 3 on both ends and 1 on the center. While using the tool, you need to be extra precise. The third most useful profile is a weighted line. You can create this kind of profile by moving the widest part of the line. I'll grab from the center profile points with a width tool and move the points along the path. Now I have a weighted line. If I select the line, you can see the form in the profiles. This is a really handy line. I want to save it. I open the profiles and click the hard drive symbol. I can rename the profile and then click OK. Now you can find the saved profile in the drop-down menu. You can change the width of the profile points by going on top of the points and moving along to the side circles. Then you need to drag. You can also create new profile points. You go to a position on the path and drag. Now there's a new width profile point here. I try to create a fourth useful profile. A line that gets thin on both ends, but is quite flat in the center area. I'll also save this profile. I can use the width tool to create really complex profiles. I'll drag some new points to this path. If I want to remove one, I select it with the width tool and press delete. This kind of profile might not be as useful as the previous ones. I return the profile back to the boat shape. I can also change only the other side of the profile points. I'll go to the profile points and then move to the other circle. Now I drag with Alt pressed. I now affect only the other side. I create a lip profile. Not that useful either. For inking, the best profiles are the boat profile, the triangle, the weighted boat, and the double weighted boat. This last one is really good for long lines. You can get far with these profiles.